Open a Word document and make sure you have the Music Ed font. Then write in the rhythmic pattern you're going to use. Now, on your computer, find the Snippet Tool. You can usually find this by just going into the searching bar. Click New and drag over the exact part of your screen you want to keep. Now under Edit, click Copy. Now we're going on to Google Slides, and you're going to Control-V, which is paste. It's now in your Google Slide. Go into your files for your animated Bitmoji, or just a Bitmoji you've already taken. You're going to double-click or insert and place it over the rhythmic notation. Now, duplicate the slide, and then move your Bitmoji over to the next note. Repeat this until you've done it for all of the notation. Now, open up Audacity. You need to import the music you're using into Audacity. Click File, then Import in Audio. Now, you need some dead time to get everything set up. So move the music over and give yourself about 15 to 20 seconds of dead time at the beginning. Click Start Recording in OBS, then click Play after making sure that it is starting at the very beginning in Audacity, and then go into Presentation mode of your Google Slides. It's helpful to count down your seconds of the dead time in Audacity before you start. Now click Spacebar and follow along with the music. Once you've done this for the entire Google Slides, you stop recording in OBS, and you're going to import the file into OpenShot Editor. Then you can edit out the beginning and ending of when you started and stopped recording. After you've done all your edits, export the project. Make sure you know the folder path and give it a title. Afterwards, go onto your YouTube channel, click Create, then Upload Video.